students, are heartily welcome to Global Online University. So in this video, I am going to tell you about the much awaited information regarding MHSET 2021. The results of MHSET is out, students. So if you want to check the result, you have to go to the official website, which is you go on Google and type MHSET official website. The first website is setexam.unipune.ac.in. Click on this. This is the official website, students. Under announcement section, you can see result of set exam 26 September is declared on 28th of January, which is today. If you want to check the results, students, click on the result tab, which is over here on the top. You can select the exam. The last exam was 26th of September. You can see with or without result. So I will click here, and then you can write the seat number, your name, date of birth, mobile number, and click on search result. After you enter search result, this kind of a page will open for you. Here will be the application number, seat number, name, your subject, and here will be the marks. Paper 1, the student has scored 42 marks, and paper 2 is 90 marks, and the student is qualified. So a hearty congratulations to all of you who have qualified. I am very happy for all the students who have qualified, and for those students who have not qualified, please do not lose hope, students, because here we at Global Online University is helping you prepare for MHSET 2022. So we have started our new batch for your upcoming examination. For students who have not cleared, there is a new batch for you where we will be providing you 40 full syllabus tests. These tests will be in Marathi as well as in English. There will be full syllabus notes and video lectures along with last 10 years PYQs. So here in this batch, we will give you all the latest updates regarding MHSET examination. So you can join now for your upcoming examination. If you want to join, contact on WhatsApp only for this. Contact only on WhatsApp. Please don't make a call. And the fees for paper 1 is 1999. Students, we also have commerce, economics, management, and chemistry full syllabus course for MHSET paper 2. Okay, so if you want to join that, you can contact again on this number. And all the best for those who have not all the best, hearty congratulations for to those who have cleared the examination, and for those who have not cleared, you will definitely clear in the next examination. So see you in the next video. Bye.